going, guys? I'm going to do a dish and it's going to be called sticky lemon chicken. And
You want to put the knife down?
sorry,
It's a bit rude.
sticky lemon chicken and mash. They call it champ. I don't know, I've never heard of champ before. But anyway, let's give it a crack. So if you have a look, we've got our chicken. So we're not going to cook all that because it's just like chicken. We've got our lemon, sticky lemon, get it? Okay, we actually use some honey, some cream, a little bit of spring onion, some parsley. I've cut all these up prior, and some thyme, lemon thyme, get it? Lemon chicken, right. And we've got our spuds ready to go for our mash. So we'll just get that on. That's actually been on for a bit. I've got that going. So to start with, we get our chicken, probably a couple of bits each, that'll do. Tongs. Right, all that's going is these. Mel's favourite, salt. Give it a good salting.
You can't see, I'm rolling my eyes here. How long does that take to cook?
They should take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. What we add now is just a little bit of soy sauce. Right, so while that's cooking, we just cut up an onion.
An onion?
Oh, hang on, what did I say?
Don't you think that's a lemon?
Oh, lemon. Oh. Anyway, just cutting that up. Been in for about 5 minutes, coming along. So what we add now is some red wine vinegar. A little bit of olive oil, just to double. While over, I cut up a lemon, so we just throw those in, and just a pinch.
Don't you mean a slosh?
Just a little splash of
Because a
lemon
pinch
juice.
would be like that. Whereas, how do you pinch a lemon?
I did use pinches. Right, so that's just cooking hopefully complete.
A sticky lemon chicken. This is smelling pretty good, guys.
What we add now is some thyme. Now, you want to cut this up because you want it really smooth. That's our chicken coming along nice. Now for the sticky. So just a little bit of honey over the top. For our sticky, we add our parsley, which I cut up earlier. We'll just sprinkle that around.
Ooh, look at the colour.
Yeah, I know, it looks right, doesn't it? Right, so our chicken's done. So we've just turned that off. That's it. So everything's about ready to go. What we do for our, they call it champ. I've never heard of champ, but anyway, it's mashed potato. Okay, so what we've got here, we boil 100 ml of cream and 100 ml of milk together. So we just start to smash them. Just a little bit of butter. Just a
knob?
Just a knobbo. Who doesn't love a knob?
Oh, Chad. It's actually called a knob of butter.
Oh, sorry. Who doesn't?
If anyone's got a chef terminology book, feel free to send it over. Chad can do some studying.
Yeah. Just wing it, mate. Wing it. We just add this to our potato. Heat helps. Look how fluffy this is.
Heat helps what?
Absorb
Absorb.
some of the moisture into the potato. You just add spring onions.
Sticky lemon chicken.
Sticky. It is sticky. You can feel it. Lemon to it. Give it that little bit of a fancy look. Just add that. Have a look at that.
So that's the lemony sauce.
Lemon sauce. Just a little bit over everything. Lemon chicken. Lemon sticky chicken. Sticky chicken. Sticky licky. Anyway, there it is.
Say it again.
Sticky lemon chicken. And mash. Have a little lemon. Yes. Done it again. Here we go. Oh, good.
What's the
Yum.
main first flavour that comes to you?
First one to hit was actually the lemon. I thought it might have been the honey. Chicken, look how nice that's cooked.
Oh wow.
I know.
Coops?
Have a crack, mate. Well, that one's the honey.
Oh yeah, you're right. You got hit with the lemon first, and then the honey's like,
Does it punch you in the face?
not really. It's actually really subtle and nice.
Fabulous. Can't wait to try it. Thanks, guys. If you've got any more requests for recipes, hit us up and Chad will make whatever you like. See you on the next one, guys.